All right, so I got the Mustang all loaded up on the trailer, ready to go to Sacramento Raceway tomorrow for the Muscle Mustang and Fast Forward race. I wanted to give it one more shot to get a good baseline because I wasn't exactly happy with what it ran last time, which was an 11.4 at 119. So I made some adjustments to the suspension, and I changed like the ride height and the coilovers and some shock settings. And I also want to mess with shift RPM too. Plus the weather should be a little bit better tomorrow, so hopefully it'll go a little bit faster. And then once we're all done with that, I can yank the exhaust out and start putting on those long tubes. But all right, let's try not to break the car. Like crazy that time. Am I out? Oh, hell yeah. Oh, he broke out. I went 11.3, but he fucking broke out, so I'm still in it. Fuck it. All right, so that's going to wrap it up for today. The car did really well. It ran an 1118 at 122. So now all I got to do is take the car back to the shop, yank out the exhaust that I have now, and then start working on the long tubes and fabbing up the X-pipe. And then once that's all done, I could take it over to AED, get it dyno tuned, and then we could head out back to the track and see what it can do. I also realized today that the car really needs an anti-roll bar, but I'll probably install that after the long tubes. But I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, all right, see you next time.